So on this case, I want to talk about refunds. So we have a customer and we see that the customer is very angry. So the customer is talking about a refund. He seems that he's unhappy with the service and that he already tried to talk with us and didn't receive any response. We want to make sure that we address quickly this kind of requests. So based on the intent, we can see that the intent is a refund request, and we can see that the sentiment is very negative. So what we will do is, since we have a group of agents that is specialized on acting on this type of tickets, we will assign the ticket for them and prioritize this ticket as urgent. So let's get back to our triggers. Here on the triggers, we can create a new trigger, okay? And I will give the name increase request SLA. And I will just choose a category. And I will provide the conditions that I just said. So as a good practice, we should always select the status first. And the status that we want to choose is the new, so no one touched on this ticket and there is no follow-up. We will select the intent. And the intent in this case is the refund request. For sake of time, I will not do the condition regarding the confidence level, but as Megan said, you should always do that as a good practice. And the sentiment that we will do on the condition is that every time that is very negative, we want to make sure that this is the priority really increases. The actions that we will do here are, so we will assign these to the right group of agents. In this case, it's the refund experts that we have here. We will change the status of these tickets to pending, because it's pending for the ticket to start working on it. And finally, we will change the priority. So this way, the ticket becomes urgent and we can now start creating the trigger. This way, we are automatically triaging this ticket based on the information that we enriched on the information that was enriched on the ticket. We didn't spend time triaging it, and in that way it can be addressed by the right group of agents and the experts that understand this business and will know how to deal with this customer and solve this problem.